Hi YouTube, and welcome to part 5, my Biggie Smalls wall. Yeah, it's going to be a narrated video due to the noise of the building site. So here you can see I've just done the background, and I started writing "It was all a dream," which is the Biggie Smalls saying, or Biggie Smalls quote from one of his tunes, the tune that's playing now. You can see that there's still builders knocking about in and out. It's quite chaotic, quite noisy, therefore I've muted the sound. If you see, I've done the black background, I've written "It was all a dream" in white, and I've sprayed some pink behind it and a bit of purple fade. Now I've got a fluorescent loop can, fluorescent pink. So I'm just trying to focus on that. That's the fluorescent. I'm just going to give it a few test sprays in the box. Just getting it ready. Give it a good shake. And I'm going to just lightly dust over the top of the lettering. This will give it a bit of a glow. So when the fluorescent goes over the white, it just glows. And then after that, I'm just going to strengthen the white again. Just go over parts of the white with the white to make it look like a neon sign, neon lettering. That's what I'm doing now. Just giving it a light dust with fluoro pink. So it's been quite hard to concentrate with all the noise, but yeah, we're just getting on with it. And you can see I've got the head filled in now, and I use the stencil technique, so a bit of cardboard to blend and get that control in a small space and get all the skin tones on there for the head. So I've just started working on the top, so I'm planning on using a bit of spray to base fill some of the large areas. Okay, so I'm offering you guys some quality content. I've shown you how I've done the face. I've been using my stencil technique, using a bit of cardboard to get the different shades and textures on the face. And now I've started filling out the main block areas of colour with the spray cans, and I'm probably going to start adding the fine detail now with acrylic and paintbrush. Because the top is quite detailed, I'm going to use a paintbrush and some acrylics and really work in that detail, and then maybe afterwards mist over with a bit of paint, spray paint as well. But you can see for scale, his head is probably just a little bit bigger than mine. I know I've got a pretty big head, but it's all in proportion. But yeah, you can see that's how big my hand is. So yeah, I've filled in some of the areas with spray paint just to base it, and I've started to use a paintbrush now, some acrylics. I actually found this quite therapeutic using the paintbrush, but then I was getting frustrated with how long it was taking, so I had to think about speeding up the process. So I then started using some Posca markers, and you'll see in a minute the Posca markers look quite sketchy, quite scribbly, but it was important to try and get this done as quickly as possible, because the acrylics were taking too long to dry. I had to use a heat gun, and I was just getting frustrated with the time it was taking, because I had sort of forecast 2 days for this job, and I wanted to get the portrait done within the 2 days. So I whipped out the Posca paint pens. You can see they're quite sketchy, but the plan was to fill out as much of the top, which is quite intricate, with the marker pens, and then dust over with a spray can just to blend it in. So maybe using a bit of transparent, a bit of black, a bit of yellow and white in some places, just to give it a softer look. at the end. After I'd got all the colours in, I went back over with a spray can just to tone it down. And you can see I left the hands and the money to the last bit. But yeah, the hands and the money I did with the spray can.
Can you, alright, just let me know when you're on your way, yeah? And I'll be here. Okay.
Sick. That is bad. Do you know what I like?
Yeah, no worries, that's fine. Just let me know, yeah? Okay.
I just like the caption. The fact that you picked it with that.
Yeah.
It was all of you. Mad.
It's just too sick.
Mad.
So we finally made it to the end. Got the Biggie done. It's end of part 5 of this amazing house. Just got one more part 6 left. A couple of logos and I'm done. Yeah, Biggie's looking awesome. Baby, baby. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace.
This Tanisha, your call back, I'm busy. Why don't you hit me on the box a little later? Washed up, got dressed, hits the elevator. Steps out, it's the same old scene. Dope fiend, crack fiend, eyewitness news team. I seen the honey with the butt looking butter soft. I know she look my better with the clothes up off. Sitting all thick with the ruby red lipstick. That's the one I got to get with. Can I get with ya? 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 Why you wanna get with me? Cause they got a big B-U-T-T-C. Can I get with ya? 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 Why you wanna get with me? Cause you got a big B-U-T-T. She said if I get with you, I got to get with your whole hood rat crew. What you think I do? Sling skin for a living? My name ain't November. This ain't Thanksgiving. You ain't Michael Bivins. Smack it up, flip it, rub it down. Do me, baby, I ain't down. My name ain't Tupac, I don't get around. You hitting this nigga, how that sound? First of all, you got me mixed up.